Do you have a multiple work experiences? Maybe you work as a barista, a bartender, and a food service crew. Now you're asking yourself, which one should I use to apply for a cruise ship? Choosing the wrong position can slow down your application or even cost your opportunity. So let's talk about it. Hi everyone, my name is Tintin and welcome back to my channel. If you are planning to apply for a cruise ship and you have a different job experiences, this video is especially for you. Many applicants get confused. They think putting all positions equally will increase their chances. But the truth is, cruise ship application need direction. You don't just apply, you apply with purpose. Let's say your work background includes barista, bartender, food service crew. Now the question is, which one should you choose? Here's the simple rule. Choose the position where first, you are most skilled. Second, you are most confident. And third, you have the strongest and most solid experience. Do not choose a role just because it sounds more impressive. Choose what you can actually perform every single day on board. Let me share my personal experience. I had experience both as a waitress and as a bartender. Both roles are good and both are needed on cruise ship. But I asked myself one honest question. Where am I strongest? I realized I can do the bartender job even with my eyes closed. That's how confident I was. I knew the cocktails, I understood bar operation, I was comfortable talking to guests, and I could work fast even under pressure. So when I applied, I chose bartender, not because of the title, but because I knew I could deliver results. And remember this, on a cruise ship, performance matters more than position names. If you choose barista, make sure you truly understand coffee preparation, espresso extraction, milk steaming, and menu knowledge. Interviews can be technical. If you choose bartender, you must know classic cocktails, proper pouring techniques, bar setup, and guest interaction. Confidence is very important. If you choose food service, you need strong guest skills, tray service, upselling, proper table setup, and the ability to handle guest concerns professionally. Important advice. You can include all your experiences in your resume, but highlight the position you are applying for. If you apply as a bartender, your bartender experience should stand out the most. Agencies want applicants who know their direction. Clarity shows professionalism. The cruise ship will not adjust to your weaknesses. You are expected to perform from day one. Contracts are long, the environment is fast-paced, guests expect excellent service every time. So choose the role where you can survive 10 months on board. Choose the role where you can grow. And choose the role where pressure makes you better, not scared. Don't choose based on ego. Choose based on ability. If you're a first-time applicant, remember this. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to be prepared and honest about your skills. Every successful crew member you see today once started as a beginner, nervous, unsure, and full of questions. What made the difference was not luck. It was the preparation, consistency, and the willingness to learn. Don't rush your application just because you want to go on board immediately. Build real experience. Master your basics. improve your confidence. Because once you step on board, expectations are high. But if you are prepared, you will not only survive, you will stand out. Every shift you work today is already preparing you for your future. Your journey may start small, but it can take you around the world. Stay focused, stay humble, keep improving. Your opportunity will come, and when it comes, be ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Tintin, and I'll see you in my next video, and hopefully see you on board soon. And remember, the goal is not just to get on board. The goal is to become the crew member they never want to lose.